Have you ever noticed how your car glides effortlessly around corners in a way that feels smooth and controlled, completely unlike the awkward, clunky turns of a shopping trolley at the supermarket? That's all thanks to a hidden hero beneath your car, the differential, a crucial component that most drivers never even think about. Without a differential, every single turn would turn into a tire-screeching mess, with your wheels literally fighting each other for grip and control. Just picture a shopping trolley's fixed rear wheels dragging and skipping as you try to turn. Now imagine your car doing that at speed on the road. Not a pretty sight, right? Here's the problem. When your car turns, the outer wheel has to travel a longer path than the inner wheel, so it needs to spin faster to keep up. If both wheels were forced to spin at the same speed, you'd get understeer, rapid tire wear, and a car that's a nightmare to handle, especially on tight corners or slippery roads. The differential solves this tricky problem by allowing each wheel to spin at the speed it needs, making every corner feel smooth, safe, and controlled. It's a simple, yet incredibly elegant solution to a complex physics challenge that every car faces. So, the next time you take a bend and your car hugs the road, remember, it's not magic. It's the result of clever engineering and smart design. The differential is one of those hidden marvels that quietly makes driving both safe and easy every single day. So, next time you're behind the wheel, take a moment to appreciate the genius working under your car's skin, making every journey possible. So, what is a differential? It's a device that splits engine torque between two wheels, letting each spin at a different speed. When you turn, the outside wheel needs to go faster than the inside one. Simple geometry. The differential makes this possible, preventing tire scrubbing and stress on your car's parts. Without it, every parking maneuver or tight turn would be a struggle. Whether it's tucked into a rear axle or combined with the gearbox up front, its job is the same. Smooth, predictable handling. It's a century-old solution that's still essential today. That's the magic behind every effortless turn. Let's peek inside. The main parts? The pinion gear brings power in, spinning the ring gear. The ring gear turns the differential carrier, which houses the spider gears. Spider gears sit between two side gears, each connected to a wheel. When driving straight, everything spins together. But in a turn, the spider gears let the side gears, and thus the wheels, rotate at different speeds. This simple gear arrangement is what makes the differential so effective. Each part plays a role in balancing power and speed between the wheels. It's a mechanical dance happening thousands of times a minute. All this, hidden away, keeps your ride smooth and safe. Let's take a closer look at how the differential actually works in your car, making everyday driving smooth and effortless. When you're driving straight down the road, both wheels spin at exactly the same speed. In this situation, the differential acts almost like a solid link, connecting both wheels together as one unit. But as soon as you enter a turn, everything changes. The inside wheel slows down, while the outside wheel speeds up to cover a longer distance around the curve. This is where the spider gears inside the differential come into play, spinning and adjusting to the new speeds, allowing each wheel to rotate at just the right speed for perfect balance and control. The result? Smooth, controlled cornering every time you take a bend, with no tire squeal, no skidding, and no fighting for grip on the road. The differential automatically balances the speed difference between the wheels, so you barely notice the magic happening beneath your feet as you drive. Every time you steer, this system adapts instantly and seamlessly, keeping your ride stable and safe. It's a silent, essential piece of engineering that works tirelessly in the background. That's the true genius of the differential in action, constantly working in real time to keep you in control. Whether you're turning, cruising, or just driving to work, it's working for you every single time you drive. Most cars on the road today use what's called an open differential. This system is simple, reliable, and effective for everyday driving, making it the go-to choice for most manufacturers. It allows the wheels to rotate at different speeds, which is especially useful when turning corners, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. However, there's a catch. If one wheel loses grip, like on ice or mud, all the engine's power gets sent to the spinning wheel. This can leave you stuck, unable to move forward, even if the other wheel has plenty of traction. That's where the limited slip differential, or LSD, comes in. It's a clever upgrade designed to handle tricky situations. The LSD senses when a wheel starts to slip and automatically sends more power to the wheel with grip. This makes it ideal for performance cars that need better acceleration, as well as off-road vehicles tackling rough terrain or uneven surfaces. For the most extreme conditions, there's the locking differential, a true powerhouse for tough environments. This system can lock both wheels together, forcing them to turn at the same speed. It delivers maximum traction, making it perfect for rock crawling, deep mud, or any situation where grip is critical and getting stuck isn't an option. In the latest high-tech cars, you'll find active or torque vectoring differentials. These use advanced electronics and sensors to constantly monitor driving conditions, directing power to the right wheel at precisely the right moment. These cutting-edge systems dramatically boost agility and stability, especially in high-performance vehicles, allowing for sharper cornering and safer handling at high speeds. From nimble city cars to rugged SUVs and off-road beasts, there's a differential designed for every driving need and environment. Each type of differential tackles traction challenges in its own unique way, adapting to the demands of the road or trail. That's why your car feels so stable and responsive, no matter if you're cruising on the highway or winding through mountain roads. The right differential truly makes all the difference, ensuring your vehicle performs at its best wherever you go. The differential isn't just about comfort, it's vital for safety. By letting wheels spin independently, it keeps your car stable and predictable in corners. Modern safety systems like ABS and stability control rely on this, adjusting power and braking to individual wheels. On slippery roads, advanced differentials help maintain grip and prevent spins. It's a silent guardian, working with your car's electronics to keep you safe. Without it, driving would be unpredictable and dangerous. So next time you take a smooth turn, thank the differential, the hidden hero beneath your car. Engineering brilliance, quietly keeping you on the road.